Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials and logging into the agency portal now. Have your employer ID, tax account number, and the bank routing/account numbers at hand. Once logged in, confirm you are an authorized payer and that two-factor authentication is active. This prevents delays. Make sure your account balance covers the fee and any service charges, then navigate to the Employer Payments section to begin the single required compliance fee transaction. You now create the payment record step by step. Select the specific employer compliance fee type and confirm the correct tax period. Errors here force returns. Enter the exact fee amount displayed by the portal, choose ACH debit or e-check, and pick an immediate or scheduled date. Once done, attach any required supporting documents and validate payer name and EIN. Mistakes cause rejections. Then preview the transaction and proceed to the confirmation screen to authorize the debit. You finish by authorizing the payment and capturing proof immediately. After you authorize, the portal returns a confirmation number and a downloadable receipt. Save both and email them to your records team. Once the debit clears, reconcile the payment against payroll and mark the compliance obligation satisfied. If anything goes wrong, first check for bank holds, mismatched EIN or account numbers, or portal validation errors. Contact the agency helpline with your confirmation number for fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.